Some people who have some things to get in because they come like say boy a king and share time because a woman who them used to live with I think are the second person them live with since them to America. Then the woman come out and I expose them the people so it's like it's a exposed thing for king and share from a little thing go on with them and the people them what them did live with seeing cause king baby mother come out I expose him. Now this a woman here. I expose them. So we are gonna get in it and hear where the woman here say, alright, Tik Tok boss and all my people and Rosealee, wanna know say the two of them no good from Tik Tok boss to get the number one. Right? Rosealee say some things about him and him run a Rosealee. And from that, them no really deal like that. So them end up on live I play a match, seeing and one piece of sitting with the two of them people. Me I go share that with you also. Seeing Rosealee diss him after him, you know what I mean? I say some things like Rosealee must be bad mind him or whatever. You know what I mean? So we are gonna get into that. Also Ivan seeing have some things to say, right? Cause Destiny end up in our comment section and D my people, D and Ivan link up and did a talk about Destiny. So may I say also D cuss out a woman. She must name Jessie or something like that, right? It's like she talk about the relationship and our man, you know what I mean, a cheat on her and thing. So they respond to her. So we are gonna get into the whole of them people. But we are gonna just go to piece of some of them coming on the video draw too long. So we're gonna kick it off with the cuss out the woman and then we'll get into the rest.
Your father will never stop being mother. And her, how much outside sibling you have, y'all go suck your mama. How much outside sibling you have? Make we talk. How much? How much blood clot outside sibling you have? Yeah, come blood clot talk. Ask your mother if your father ever got up on me and proposed to her. Your whole generation curse. None of them care hold no man. See there. Wait, so that if you're wrong one, that's a baby birth paper. Me have a certificate for me and me man. Dirty blood clot say. Just will look like blood clot Mr. Beans and blood clot gorilla fit you. Now Savada. I can't talk about me do a pick up the man. We're supposed to pick up for the man, am I man? Hello? What is baby? You see, because I'm a real mother, I have a lot of documents. Because I'm a real wife and a real woman, I have a lot of bumbleclot documents. So I have a lot to sort through. I have a lot to sort through. You see the day when blood clot when you can be like me, let me show you what I go on here. Me enough to sort through. See it yeah? Me I show the type of bitch that I am. Me loyal to the blood clot ground when me walk on. Me loyal enough. None of the can blood clot style me. More one of them come show me all out. Pick me them blood clot near the string. That is how I am. My loyalty is not play blood clot loyalty. You see the loyalty when me have, play loyalty. That's why una not go like me. Una not go like me. Loyalty got every blood clot we're sunny. Loyalty got every blood clot where it's not my fault why you're about like blood clot basketball pan court. Remember stop and bumbo clock cage. Remember if you breathe right now, you have to go juggle the belly. Any you breathe right now, you have to juggle the blood clot belly. So you can't argue with me, bitch. You can't argue with me. No, I'm not slow. You can argue with me. Because I'm right. But supposed to pick up woman and my man. I'm here alone a blood clot papers for me. Just like come here papers to pick them and can know see I feel me them and me alone a papers for him. More one of them come show me the marriage blood clot certificate where uno have for him. Come show me it and then more shut up. What if you can't come show me, I'll come down. But for now, me proud and blood clot loud. And if me and him for blood clot man, if me and him man, if him and mind me and my blood clot man, if me and mind him and my blood clot man, if him hate me and my man, if me hate him and my blood clot man, anything with me and him, have a blood clot, man. That's what we talk about. I'm gonna get up every day a blood clot talk about man. Every turn me turn. Man. Who don't care cause about nothing else a blood clot. And the boy not shame me. Because no matter how they talk about me a blood clot. None of you know. Can't come out with a proof saying in the past and it is supposed to come on about him, man. Him supposed to no blood clot cause him no wall. Yeah. No man from the day my bad. Skin up on the wall. Yeah, man. As you say, me is a man clown, me, a man clown, me, a man moto, me, I am head, me, a man idiot, me love man, so me supposed to be man idiot, thank you. At least me is not man idiot, man clown, man moto, down no man. Thank you. Me kids them in their room, you hear them because them are not dummy. You hear them because them not dummy, so them in them room, and them are not dummy, so that's why I not hear them, thank you. We can't put them outside for class, so no, them have to stay in here. In a class, so no. All of a sudden, they put blood clot for you. Every day, the blood clot, oh, so wait. Who do feel like say, me can't come back over here, come load up and go on, me could have cost me more. No, the blood clot self. Because me decide for change, and me decide for come blood clot down. I said me gonna lower the app and me gonna focus back on me selling and focus back on my blood clot life. But no man, too much now to blood clot. Too much now. Every day on the pan blood clot this so. And what me do? What me do? What the blood clot me do now? What me do now? Every blood clot there so. When me go the one who want hear. Every day me go sing the same story. Am I a man? Hey, girl, where you come from? We got blood clot kissy because I kiss it on this. Am I a man? Hey, girl, where you come from? Come on, man. Me head sick. I'm on you in a body bag. We got bumbo clot kissy. Right there, so. Am I a man? I'm not left the boy. I'm not leaving him. As long as I have breath and I feel like I me want, I'm gonna stick by him. The reason why someone out here talk about every minute she get up, she a cuss the man, she a cuss the man, she a cuss the man. Me supposed to cuss the blood clot man. Me supposed to cuss the man. You wanna know why? The man cuss me. The blood clot man cuss me. When him family them that attack me, the man stand up there and me 10 blood clot toes down. He did not care who the fame, him stand up back and blood clot me. So I'm supposed to cuss to the man. Unlike some when the blood clot pin them get up a morning time to go to school, after rise and shine and give blood clot God the glory. All when you're tired now, all when you're falling at the night, afterwards, and you can't blood clot wait, you have to get up. Cause your man don't know for iron, your man don't know for cook, your man don't know for take care of that even eat. Your man not fan him no blood clot, you still have to suck, you go suck your mother. My man stick beside me. My man have my blood clot back. If me decide that me can't make it, my man make it for blood clot me. And that me I tell you no. Ask any bitch. Me not style him as bitch. Cause me have some nice blood clot.
One thing be sure about my people, I go stand up for your man no matter what. You see me I say, big woman thing. And me feel like say I saw a woman for hold long her man straight. You see me? But you have to know when to draw the line because you are one of my people. Them say him did a flirt with the next woman on Tik Tok and I saw the argument start. Seeing, but we know say that's entertainment. You see it, and look him a look the woman, although we don't know still. But most people on TikTok, them flirt more while forget the people them interested. You know what I mean? So that is just a act most of the time. Them just play a little role play, whatever. You know what I mean? Or put on a little show for the people them for get interested. You see me? Them thing and stick around. You see me? Cause there's no way him could have him wife and a look a woman pan live like that. You see me? Me not think no man that do that. Although you have some other bright like bulb. But we are gonna watch some more my people hear what she have to say. You know what I mean? Because she have some more things that she have to say.
Coffee girl never come from Mandeville like my nice clean blood class supporters. Me not style no. Cause me have some real top class supporters in a real blood clot life. Someone want big up uno. Yes, Rosie. Every day so. Remember my class said the other day, Rosie, say you gonna come over here, come in. Rosie gonna suck your mother too, girl. Suck your mother, Rosie. Go suck your mother, Rosie. Suck out your mama. Not your figure do, Rosie. Go live in your mother with a bloody girl. Go suck your mother, Rosie. The outside, go suck your mama, girl. Yeah. One club right. You don't feel like something can come for you every day come go no one want. Play I'm me mute ya. Yeah. So damn right no bumbo clad. I want to me walk and pick up bumbo clad girl problem for my head. So you see my problem when you just low blood clot that alone. Here we know guys. They want me no to vex you know. I say me man a flirt for life. One little son and blood clot just in destiny. No know me from nowhere I come talk about my man a flirt and my man eat my mama and this and man. So me I say to her say it's over blood clot man in front of my man. And that man know if it's not my man. I know two women in a me blood clot man and me a certificate fee I pay me him. Me supposed to defend him. Me supposed to defend him. Me say enough time you know me over here you know. I me see people come to people I really like you know. And me I say yo. Me not go cuss back with nobody because here we go on. Me a try for change. Me nobody a try for change now. Me not bother change. Me say me not bother blood clot change. Me done with the changing now. So if you disrespect me, I me feel like me have a disrespect your back. Me a come class you.
It's like
because why this blood clot melting younger? Feel like such a smaddy. Why this melting blood clot younger? Feel like such she's blood clot somebody. Jesse with your poop. Jesse, remember your father almost are you alone with father and give him blood clot is remember your baby father 8, 9, 10 and 20 your blood clot Jesse. You look like when Bumbo blood clot candle light and nobody now monitor it. Your skin bright. You come and cut talk off your blood clot face. Your nose and your blood clot mouth and run Bumbo clot competition. You folly. First of all, your yai blood clot yai. I write you so. I play a part to blood clot getter. Jesse, your face was real blood clot construct. You come out to argue with blood clot, good girl, when you're poop. Just remember, every time you bring a poop out your picnic, you know. You're not supposed to come over here, come argue with no girl. Jesse, remember, see you come tell we say, see you now. Your man conscience are killing, that's why no stop accuse you of cheating. Because you get go, on a look on blood clot, Jesse, she now. Jesse, come at the front of the blood clot line. Come at the front of the line, Jesse. And you come tell us you have man problem.
not guys, I do not catch it live.
Me put on my cousin cap. Me tell my sister me I stop come over here, come trace.
Thank you. At 20 rows, guys. 20 rows, 20 rows.
Welcome, thank you, baby. That can't be here. I'm holy for them. I want to do not.
So I do not now catch. Just speed not catch, guys.
Sure, thank you. Anna Rose, a heart. Wait, the speed change.
Heart.
Yeah, look at the way
if I $20 then me get one donut with higher than
you see any of us content creators start go under the screen record them and the people that we class with. We gonna dig up their file and come class them back for life. I bet they stop them.
But nobody now go look for them because they don't know. Nobody don't know them.
Big up. It can change up one heap, you know. Me hardly play a match. One heap of change is gone. Only hear that they want it. Oi. Don't know you can't bother with your little girl.
No,
Destiny, I want to do something more. Javier, thank you. Big up yourself, Javier. Hey.
Man feel like man.
Eat them.
He is a strong black man.
Javier, thanks, boo. My son, Javier, bust a snipey.
He must tell Destiny say him is a strong black man.
Not tell me if you tell Destiny no. I mean not tell Destiny not na rascal. Destiny are my friend. And you are my friend. I mean not get involved. Don't mix me.
Him a one strong black man. What him
nothing wrong with that. Him is a strong too. Pretty. Nothing wrong with that.
Where am I doing a purple wig, eh? You feel act right, you know?
Well, I've had it too, but you're outside. So Destiny not to wear pretty wig.
But Destiny is a man.
Leave Destiny alone. Destiny nice and clean in her wig. Lower her. Javier, thank you. Gabriel, thank you. Me not get involved. Leave me out of it. Because I love Destiny and I love you. I like the two of Uno.
You cannot, you see do your eyebrow them in a pink and him a finger wave. You know have no ear for finger wave, you know?
I want the blood clot this man.
You know no ear for finger wave.
I left it to Destiny, so Destiny come class, you know. Me gonna laugh, and that me I tell you. Me I still gonna laugh after you, and me I laugh after Destiny.
Destiny chat about me every day upon your life. Right now, you go cover their cups right now.
No, Destiny not look for you. Destiny not look. You know I say no over true. Destiny not look at you.
I'm a friendship you want, but you have to pay me one lion.
Here ya. But Jesus. Destiny you not hear them some ya. I want to see you one lion and you're not church friend.
Somebody say hood swell Destiny board.
I want you love Destiny and you want back Destiny friend too, you know. Because you want Destiny come to the lion.
Listen, if the media want say, make them say. If the social media is not a real place, you know. On social media you have to run it where people them say, or you will never trend or make it. It's even not say what them say. Yeah, just did it, so you have to say what them say. But him a give me man will. See that? Because he reach me tomorrow, I tell him I'm hungry. I tell him I'm hungry. That real money they are going to make me, it going to add up to everything, and a steaks me want to eat tomorrow, my love. To everything. I somebody come to me now, not a whole somebody come to me now, guys. We are there. Get the 6 now. For what up, my team?
Anytime I Destiny up this, I say so. I go sit down and look at Ivania trouble.
Some people are going to close off the situation saying, yo, they have to know, sir. You know what I mean? She up on social media and everybody most people have a certain type of way, and that are the comment section, and them are going to always comment whether good or bad. You understand what I say? And she have to develop thick skin, because if she not develop that, she going to argue with everybody in the comment to say something bad. You understand? Me kind of understand how she feel in her way still, you know, because when people attack bad boy, you go want to defend yourself and say something back to them. But she not fit answer hard, you know what I mean? She not fit to answer them like that and give them attention. You see me? But how she want to do, what she feel for do, you know what I mean? What makes you feel better, whatever. So, tell me if you think say Ivania and Destiny for friend back my people. And tell me what you think about them.
I saw that you were my friend here from her. I not have on the AC. You eat on over here cold now, you know. I don't know how it get so cold. I need to buy some more hoodie. Boy, I can't take it cold, and I don't like cold at all.
I know say pink eyebrow don't really look too bad though.
You go to social if your makeup I go well do.
You know, look bad as well.
Which part is
I
now?
have an eyeshadow, you have a pink. You look kind of pink, you know.
Eh? Yeah, we have one light pink.
Oh, come here, me know. You look cute, man.
Yeah, light pink.
I wear the dye or a pencil you put?
Me bleach it and then put pink dye on it. But then me put pink eyeshadow on it and then use concealer shape through.
Okay. Come here, big up yourself.
Destiny, me know why you. Yes, I'm man, you. That's not right. 12 rows, guys.
Shani, thank you, my love.
Guys, 12 rows, Betty. 12 rows.
Thank you.
12, one more. Guys, times three. At the 6 I go, you know.
Ariana, come here.
Back. Well blessed. Thank you, well blessed, Rudy. Guys, times 3. Tip me, I eat that. What about tip me, I eat that? Well blessed. Thank you, baby. None of my sensation, none of like destiny, you know, so me forgot to talk back to destiny. None of my sensation, none of like destiny. Did I like him? Did I like him a blood clot? So there's no way. Well, if I grow to call me, I have none of that. Me not have no growth. Blood clot.
Because me the YouTube companies always reach out to me and send me free stuff to promote stuff. My company wants to send me this. Not to like just funny no more.
No. From the Batman then company happy up just like destiny. Don't think
just text me too.
for your company happy up just now no you. So no just I see you no belong, you know.
Guys, my company wants to send some Christmas decoration. Them no
wheel them and the shark.
cloth.
Girl, if you assume it to wheel them and the shark and the alligator and the seal. And the deepest part of the ocean, you feel there were jellyfish them there. You feel there were jellyfish them there.
What me gonna do with this, guys? Look, what me gonna do with this? What me gonna do with air balloon? Who me gonna put in an air balloon to go float?
You're some man. Going to mix with it there, but well, what me say? Come here, you go, my friend.
That's why I don't want to send me.
You take me
Christmas, Christmas, I want a Christmas. Now my husband will pick them catches up in the same outfit and dinosaur.
And I can't wait for Christmas because we have Christmas.
Guys, which one better? Which one better, girl? The dinosaur or the air balloon? Which one cuter to you? You see?
Let me see back the air balloon.
I have to go back for it. Outdoor decoration.
For Thanksgiving, you know, have no man yard for go castle. You know, have no man yard for go eat no good turkey, man. Stay CPS, nobody not afraid of CPS. When CPS come here, all them do come and close case, you know. Come and see how some big idiot girl pan live I go and let them know. Hear them now, me have a open case, and that's why CPS come and me yard come check. First and foremost, if you have an open case with one CPS, one next CPS woman can take it up. Other one person they have to do it. And them open it, and them have to dismiss it. Me not have no CPS case open.
Yeah, focus power one. Yeah, but my side I watch here, you know. My side, power taps. Guys, power taps. Oh, 62 points to 42? Alright then. I guess we are gonna come through. Chat, somebody can lend my what is 62 points now you give? Oh, one honor chat. Chat, one honor. Yeah man, honor feed honor. Upsetter Kelly, you can lend me an honor, booby?
some people I go close out the destiny. You know what I mean? Ivory situation. More want to not tell more to think about that. If you feel like say, you know what I mean, them fi turn back friend or Ivan if you keep, you know what I mean, avoiding destiny because destiny is a person where you feel like say him will be friend with you and then him kick off with you, maybe just for the media hype. You know what I mean? Me no know. Tell me one thing my people because me just feel like say I saw him turn. And then again Ivan here say our people them don't like him none at all. So if she go link back with him, our people them a go draw away from her. You see me I say? So more to not tell more to think in the comment section my people because you know what I mean I don't feel like say Ivan if it in a friendship with destiny. That's just my opinion still. Because there's always drama. You know what I mean? But we can watch the Rosealee thing here and Tik Tok boss and see what them are going with me people because I don't feel like say Rosealee in him too much. I don't feel like say him in a Rosealee too much, but we are gonna watch some more and see what transpire my people. And then we are gonna go over the woman where expose King and him baby mother and the youth them. Not really the youth them, but King and him baby mother.
My side, watch them in Watch them in a chat. A 3-piece of chicken this now. Remember we are real winner. Yeah, no, I guess I'm from the my side. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Everybody heart and love. Unknown, you know yourself. Big up yourself. MVP, one Keisha badness. Top girl, everybody wearing our cam. Keisha alone do this. Keisha alone do this. If it's so now we are just a truth. MVP. I guess you there on our VIP. Love you.
Thank you, Auntie Rashid, thank you.
No, Rosealee, where are you? My side, come on, she nah give up. Come like them skin have and bulletproof vessels.
No, be play with the way it I get, that not to do with me. That not to do with me. Auntie, thank you. You think I got a bad mind? Can I get 2 gifts?
That it seems like.
No, that's me.
No, what you are gonna just laugh chat, man. I last match it's me I play with you, bro. Cause no matter how I always try to deal with you on a level, you see when things are turned away, you feel me? This is how you always look.
I mean, I will no kill this argument to do no pan. I will no kill this argument pan Tik Tok would no bag if. I mean, no owe me for bad. Me no owe me for bad mind. You and me the far than you in I ranking. Yeah, I get 2 gifts. You know, get 2 gifts and I look on live goal chat. I mean, another whole story nobody pan here, you know. You know, no long argument with nobody pan here over gift. To play one match with him. Him can't cost me. Him can't cost me. Him can't cost me. You get 2. I saw them say when them get 2, look give them feel like say well let's say. Them dip on top. Me not gonna know when me a smile about. What me for smile about? My chat supposed to say me sad now win. Say somebody can help us with even 2 money gun or something. Then you gonna bring up about bad man. Bad man for what? Him shoot over the she always shoot against me. Some black car, me not hold a story. She always shoot against me. No want her yasso. On my platform. No business. I have something where she type. No business. I don't want her over here. She always shoots me. I want to join my life. You tell me there, she join my life and she see me that much and me a bitch not even nothing. But then me play with one opposition ready because she want them people over people don't want them over here. That not have nothing to do with me. That never really have nothing at all to do with me. So when I said that not have nothing to do with me. So if you want over there and cause that a fee business. I must have more than all. All me say me not, I don't mind me play with you. Me play with you make you get where I get me not understand. They say, oh, me know that. It seems like you're bad mind. So what you talk about? Bad mind for what?
Then?
Well, anything where do I go that not nothing to do with me. Me not sit down and explain on the internet. Anybody when I should know no obligation. Simple. No need to sit down and explain nothing to nobody. I want lady just sit. I want lady just send me an interstellar. I rush to send me 2 gift and earlier on. A long time I sit down and not get nothing. So the excitement are coming on, nobody come crowd and type and the bag of chatting. Nelson just mute them, make them go on. I'm now full up my back like a concubine. Where did that from?
I don't know if I that.
Sure. I now hold no story tomorrow when I explain nothing. I'm in a bad mind, come here after yourself. Bad mind, somebody will not have no bad mind myself. She just always me. She always me. Always. So me black come in a war over here. No matter what, like when them pass through and say now how much them are sending one puss randomly. I would them have 50 puss and them go sending none. Them brother when you play with me, them brother gonna shoot me no one them yeah.
People, wanna tell me in the comment section, wanna think Rosealee a overreact or she bad mind is there because she not get no gift she want end the match with him or because him say what him say. You know what I mean? And she can't take the argument why she just jump off of the match. Tell me what you think in the comment section because you are going, you can't really tell a person who to spend their money with still, you know, because people have persons who them take on to and them choose to give that person, right? So if a person take on to Rosealee and I give Rosealee, me know say Rosealee now go have no problem with that person not gifting a next person. But at the end of the day, a Rosealee live and she can choose who she wants to pick up on her life. So if this person she feel like she not support her, well, and she don't want her on her life, well, I feel her choice that. But more to tell me what you think in the comment section, my people. You know what I mean? Because Rosealee and Tik Tok boss, like, them not link like that for a good while now. Them used to close, but the friendship mash up. You know what I mean? And I feel like say people for just make a person choose who them want to give or not, no problem. That is just my opinion still, but you know what I mean, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. We're gonna watch a little bit more and then we are gonna go over to the woman who are expose King and him baby mother.
We don't want them here. Trust me. Is that the first always show me? Always. Against me. Even one night when me I play with Triple Sunday night, that's over there. And then when them ready know them ready know when them walk when who them shine and them walk through your life at daytime, she come over here for morning. Me see her come over here since man when me did earlier on this morning. She never said not even a wheel. For me since me a block you from my page. Continue showing. Me not have no problem. Sunday she one over there do the most Sunday. And she should fine. And your money me can't tell you if you don't know why you on my platform. You know why you yeah.
So from those 5 months that they left your house, if you are supposed to generate any income from your videos, you're not getting any of those money. They haven't sent you any Zelle or anything from them.
They send money twice.
Twice and that's it. No money so far. No. Let's just hope that. All right.
Okay. So when me do know when my on my way to New York, I say no, me shut down. Me gonna shut down. Me gonna stop the PayPal. Since as una do this to me, and me done give 3 weeks to fix on the PayPal. My card PayPal, I didn't even check if there was money on it. But there was I don't think no money was on it because payment was trying to come out of it. And it declined the payment. So when I called them, I put it back to my email and shut it down. I just report the card missing. I shut it down. You know what King called, they send a voice note and tell me say him never knows how some of him hear about foreign people, but him never expect it from me. So me send him back a voice note. Me say when you move out and make me not get to pay my rent, my light bill and my gas bill. You never no, he said me shut down in PayPal with to feed him pay to them. Me say when you move out and left me to owe the rent, light bill one pay and gas bill, you never think about my pay to them. I have ever voice note.
So let's get back to the move out part about that situation. The move out. Let's backtrack to there. The move out situation.
No. Repeat that.
The move out situation. How did they go about moving out?
Pack up them things and then leave.
Your daughter said they pack up them things and they leave.
They didn't tell you that they were leaving.
I never have no idea.
What did you do them, Denise?
I
What
never do until can sweep on my 5 pick them and never do them nothing. Nothing I never did them.
And this is before they move out, before the PayPal incident. The voicemail
No, long before the PayPal incident. It's after they moved down, I shut it down. 3 weeks after they moved. They moved out in May, we shut it down in June 22nd to be exact.
I want you to explain the situation. So you're at work, thinking all is good. Talking, it's like how you tell me, Denise. Talking, telling people them.
All right, my day at work and my second daughter come and she say, Mommy, you know them they're moving. And I say, no, them can't get the place so quick. Them now move. She say, yes, Mommy. The stand you bought for them to put their shoes, that's empty. They have suitcase and bags outside and they're rushing to pack up. What's that
Them a rush for pack up while you're at work and your daughter is home and see them. So not
people say King wasn't there. It was Mr. Nice and his girlfriend at the time.
Cecilia, yeah.
Yes. But she never know nothing, so I couldn't blame she. So anyway, me call my people, them and I say it to him. And he said, me tell you, so them either go vex with you before they leave or them gonna leave and not tell you. But yeah, but no, them not gonna do that. So we did focus on me. So me come home. You want to see me look under the house and see, and I look for camera to see if it's a prank. I swear to God, me I say no, it's a prank. Somebody can wicked, sir?
So them left. Nata, bye-bye. Denise, thank you for keeping me. Thank you.
To
Nothing.
8 o'clock, she called me and said, Denise, oi. You know she talk.
Me don't know.
Me I call if you tell her, say, we move, you know. Me say, just so, come now, make sure you know, say my daughter call me. I said, just so, yeah, we have to move, son, we have to rush quick. Right now, me can't even tell you what me dep on the road right now. So, me soon call you back and tell you what. Me text her in the hours of the night when me come off of the road and me say, Shay, to be honest, me never call her name. Me say, to be honest, I don't believe it was sudden. It was a plan. Nobody moved so, but I'm disappointed in you both. I think the next morning she answer, but I have the messages saying me no. She sent me 4 questions saying she don't get what I'm saying, but why would I be disappointed though? You know me not answer. Come and say no, she doesn't say she do something wrong.
And you didn't do no. Y'all was good the day before.
She was just giving attitude.
They're rushing to move on
where the
because
attitude that come from. Say, shit, me don't know. Come here and say people really steal so. And then when me say to King, me say King not even not thank you. Me say him voice note. Me say not even not thank you because him not read well. He not read. You have to send voice note. Me say not even not thank you. You know what King say? He then thank me on YouTube. When we watch the video, it said thank God for Denise. And I mean, you're not going to thank God for me. You know, oh, well, I big you up on TikTok. I say never this. I say nothing wrong with doing that, you know. What about telling me first?
remember the King kind of
so no, Denise and me I shared with me. Now have nothing to do with it. Me say you have something to do with it too.
King a Satan. That's what I get from this. King, we tell
King is a too-much person.
Yeah.
Where you can't believe him when him talk. Sometimes he will tell you what she's saying, but he might add to stuff. Can him always a chatter. Can he make me know that she wicked? He said not trust her.
King said not trust she.
And I feel him baby mother when sleep with.
Mm-hmm.
And you see, when them vex, I always try to make them talk. One time, I think I was supposed to bring him Pandora, same school situation. And if you carry bird paper, so him, you know what, ask her feet. Me if he ask her feet, me say King don't do that. He say ask him, and I have nothing to say to him. So me say no, you go ask her feet. Anyway, and go. You might tell her to drop it on the ground. Me say no, King, that's childish. Me say what if one of your kids see you do that? That's what them gonna grow up on. Oh, you don't know my friend me to take me money. And me say King, take it from her. And if remember how it did end up. They did end up leave with him and then go out to school. That's when they tell him say he need a proof of address. Okay.
So they left. So that is it.
So when me got the doctor, they choose the come say, I got the doctor. I just want to say, but alright, my pressure high. And the reason why my pressure high because everything left on me to pay, and knowing that you're inconvenient a kid for somebody, and then move out and not even tell you thanks, and not even say, okay, I'm leaving.
The people, King them a build a bad reputation for themselves. That me think. You see me I say, them a build a bad reputation, a bad track record. You know what I mean? People now go on quick for help them after hearing all of these things where them do. You know what I mean? And them have to appreciate people who help them along them the way, you know what I mean, on their journey, no matter what the person do, because you are going, once you go foreign and go catch with somebody, you know what I mean, if somebody in allow you in them space all when you're a parent, because you are going somebody place them where you go rent, because the way how them go over foreign, them can't go get it because them not have no like where I say, you know, them now no point of entry where them come in, like if them come in legal way, so people now go and rent them place. So if a person open them home phone and a parent, you have to respect them all when you feel like say them a style or disrespect you.
I feel some type of way. And I'm gonna say, oh, me vex because they move out. You know, vex because you move out. Me vex because no move out, like me doing something me and did have me and never have nothing. We never even have an argument. Me and them never even have argument before.
Mm-hmm.
But somebody who know them tell me, say them sorry, say them never know me before, if tell me don't do it.
Yeah, that's what everybody is saying, but
But you know, say I don't regret helping them though. Especially it's just a blessing for me. Me not regret them. I don't regret how them are sitting and a chat me now to get them money. Ask who no one wanna call me name, come in and do nothing.
Yeah. Denise was pretty upset, and that's why we had to do this whole session. This wasn't planned. It was just the fact that when
They got the car. They went on YouTube live and begged the money to get the car.
Mm-hmm.
That's how they got it. Hey, if you ever, hey, and they more sweet, you know.
I only idiot then can sweet up, can't sweet me.
Like people they never believe nothing when they say it. I mean, I say no man, I don't lie them I tell. And me alone they did not believe them till me find out. But when me find out that they're lying, I just give them the benefit of the doubt. And then even one day tell me say, oh, when he call my son Yankee can come over sometime and I say, no king. He say, oh no move. When the kids them could have still come over on a weekend, especially Wish because they were close to Wish. And we wouldn't have a problem with her coming over here. But me sending me not really like send my pick them away. But me would accept her for come over. Me even see them at the downtown parade, the Jamaican parade. And they were so excited to see them. Because I don't let the little ones know what's going on. I would never do that.
Yeah.
And then me there buy something for my kids them and Wish she want something. I bought something for her. And if me see her, but I still buy something for her because she's a baby.
They're saying to promote your YouTube, but do you want to promote it if you're not going to get the
I'm going to use another YouTube. Let's see where.
And your shop, where's your shop? Do you have a card for your shop for everybody that's in Connecticut? Do you have like a...
No, it's right across the street from Dunn's River Restaurant, Larry's Plaza. Who live for a long time, Cleveland Plaza.
Yeah.
Or you can inbox. They can inbox you for the me or you for my.
Yeah, guys, follow her on TikTok. They asking if King has a license to drive.
No.
And so you got Cecilia. You introduced Cecilia to Mr. Nice, to King's father.
No, Shay father.
To Shay father, yeah. To Shay father, but when they left your house, because they're saying that the person that they moved to, right, was telling them that, you robbed them, you're not supposed to charge $1,000 from them.
Let me charge them, and when them say them are going to give me, I never tell them how much to give me.
Yeah, but that's what they're saying that
the man charge about the water. I mean, never tell them how much forgive me for utility. I sent the bill to them.
Yeah, so they're saying that because they thought that they were robbed. Somebody tell them, say, I robbed them up, whatever. That's why they move, right? Chat on the tell me if I like me, I tell.
Me never know why they move. And then at one point, me just never make it bad. I mean, just say, oh, fuck it, life goes on.
But they didn't move and go to Cecilia and let Z know. They moved and they went to a gift or some other people. So they never move and go right to Cecilia, right? They moved.
They moved to what? Look here, they moved the Friday. I saw King the Saturday coming from the corner store. Me say, watch out, I hide them. They know him this me I see. And then I saw Mr. Nice the Sunday at the restaurant next door the salon. And when me see him open the door and him look around and then look around back quick. And me say, Denise, go back through the door. And me say, no. Call him, me say no. Ignore me, say no. Me just go right at him. Me say, hi, Mr. Nice. He said, oh, go on, and then he hold on back in head. Then I come out of the store.
So they went, when they left your house, they went to the lead girl name, and then I think Cecilia moved them from there to there. So this is like, what, Atlanta?
Yeah, $1,000 was reasonable, but the $1,000 is Shay, not King. I think King they said 8. I don't remember which one of them said 8, and then Shay said, no man, we could just get $1,000 include utility.
Yeah.
Insurance. I don't know what them have for them car.
So as you guys could see that the $1,000 was okay because Denise utility, her light bill went up from
let me see if I can find it. I don't know, maybe it's on my phone or mash up. I think it's in the phone or mash up. I don't think it's in this. No, it's the other phone.
It went up to $600.
No, it never reached.
People, there is three sides to every story. You see me I say? So, everything what this woman I say, me not go believe everything. Everything what kingdom I say, me not go believe everything. You see me I say? There's somewhere in the middle where the truth lies. Seeing? Here I go on. Me no feel like say kingdom. I go get up and leave a place where them no feel where them feel comfortable. You know what I mean? And nothing now go on fi kinda make them feel certain type of way. I mean I think them a go just get up and leave. There must be a reason. But what is that reason? That's what I say. Cause here we go on, you see we as black people we lack communication. If we see something and what we see look a certain type of way, we are go draw our own conclusion, you know what I mean, and keep it inside a way instead of talk to the person about whatever see, you know what I mean, and try to get to the bottom of it and solve the problem. So at that way we lack communication. You see, if we communicate with each other, enough things would reach where to reach. You know what I mean? Enough problem wouldn't reach which part it reach. You'd have solved if we talk to each other, you know what I mean, and hear from the person we are make assumption about. So we're gonna watch some more people.
Almost 600. Never reached.
Almost 600. Almost 600. She got noise complaint from her landlord and her neighbors when she wasn't there. And she
Under the basement, the man said, even when they notice, so me get him say me moving people. And him say, them was smoking. The basement was untidy because me not go down there. From me live a friend, me not like basement. Me barely go down there. If me go down there, I want them to pity them follow me.
So because of them,
so the basement was messy, and I get in trouble for the messy basement and the cigarette smoking.
So yeah, guys. So they came in her house, and she got notice from her landlord because they were smoking. Not every landlord allows smoking in the house. Smoking, and they messed up the basement. So she got notice, and of course, noise complaint. People were complaining while she was in Jamaica, calling her while she was in Jamaica, saying the noise and. So she went through a lot with them, and in the end,
I still never make them uncomfortable. I'm try to make them comfortable because with me, I make myself uncomfortable. But me think that when you put up somebody, you're not supposed to make them feel that type of way.
Yeah, but they make you feel uncomfortable in your own house. You say sometimes you're not even want to come over.
Me just work feet.
Yeah. So yeah, guys.
He went through a lot. It's in the other phone.
And in the end, they left, and they didn't even say. They never even said goodbye. They did all of that. Got her in so much trouble. Raised up her utilities. It might sound easy, but it's a lot to go.
Call my neighbor upstairs, and she, you know what she tell you about? Then she gonna tell you raw, and she gonna talk everything. So
go get the neighbor. Go get the neighbor. Joke. Leave the neighbor.
Don't even get she involved because they say no, nothing else. People them I make nice. Cause I even one prank that King did, and she jumping at the couch. You know what? She call me get and then tell me say put her out. She cannot destroy your couch, your furniture, so. And when I move here, every furniture was new. When me look, Jamaica flag carved out on the dining table, and nobody owned it. Me no say another adult because adult could never do that. My people don't know for Jamaica flag.
They do graffiti and they scratch up her graffiti on the furniture.
She
went through a lot, guys, and she still not talk everything what she got through. So, yeah, like, I'm sorry, Denise. I don't know what to say because that could have never happened to me.
My mother said to me, say, Denise, God have a way of taking away good people that help nobody else. She said, this is it. Don't help nobody else.
So, yeah, and they left. After they do all of that, they left and... Not even say thank you, just gone, but just left.
Them thank God for me.
So this way to them I go through, this is their karma. So when I feel sorry for some
Yeah, my
people.
friend them said their knees don't even touch her if you see her. And then make God do the work.
Yeah, this is it. This is it. So now they left and they went got them gone as somebody else. And that's it.
What's the next question?
I think that's it. We reached to the timeline. They move out. You made it clear, so you don't owe them no money. They never had to pay no back
And
rent.
them more owe me. Me not owe them and them owe me.
Because they still have access to her YouTube and they were getting
see somebody said she ever a sit by your chair. Yes. I mean I like it, you know. I don't sit up
the
on
people that sit on YouTube and slam up door and the wall the arguments in front of your kids seem to that cuss up in one bag of bad.
They tell him, I say, look here, my people them not used to it. They don't used to it. Big daughter them
want to know how you met them. We already went that there. We already went that oh they met guys, but say how you met them again. We already talked about that.
Instagram. I texted Shay.
She was a fan, guys. You like the content.
Yes. Because me did you know, so I still watch them video though, but the long time one them, the funny ones, I don't watch the good ones. It just played out. Me not think the King has big mouth that really do that, but it kind of come out now, you know. Let me see if me can still see, because me just use something and keep rubbing it.
They're asking if King ever put any talks to you.
Being here? No. But before he did, and I said no. I'll never go there. But
no, guys, not while he was living.
All right. I don't know if I turn the camera, so let me see. You can't see it?
Where then?
See it here?
Oh yeah. Damn.
Okay.
Did the woman have proof? I understand the woman got in our kitchen.
Everything I have proof, but I just not gonna show it. What? Give her the remote. Yeah, I have receipt for everything.
Yeah. What about cleanliness? Did they clean up and stuff?
You read what my dear?
Yes, please. Yes, please. We're here to talk about everything.
Nah.
No.
Them clean. Let me tell you, them clean. You see if them are gonna do a prank, them are gonna clean up. You see if me near if them think me I come home, they think that's when them clean up, but no. Sometimes. Them lazy. And to me, them work out the kids them. But kids have chores. Only if you make the pit them a wash plate after they come from school. Only they won't do it.
That's what Z was saying, that they let the big one do everything and cook and do everything.
Alright. Yeah, pit enough to do chores after school. Them do it on a weekend.
Well,
some people, alright, just some I go end the party, I may have some news for when people pop, so IG get free up, you know what I mean? He's a free man. I mean, I go share that with honor. So when me have to say about this lady and my people, it look like say she did a chat them while them in the house and thing. Judging from what she has say, you know, look like say she did have a nice what I say, she welcomed in at first, but after she turned on them. You know what I mean? That's why them left. That's just my opinion still. You know what I mean? And picnic, nothing wrong with picnic having chores. You see me? I say, I used to wash the dishes them every time when I come home from school. Nothing wrong with that. You see me? I say, so the clean up part, yeah, them to clean up. And here where she say she believes say when she near if you come home, them clean up the place. At least you come see the place clean up. So all you go assume and say them not clean up. Come on. It's like say, you know what I mean, she did them wrong and them left and she feel some type of way and come out and try bring them down, you know that them I get bring down by some other people, because everybody start come out to bring them down. That's why not everything on a ear on to believe me, people. Come to your own conclusion. There's three sides to every story. So we can go over to Pops YG and all my people and hear what I say.
I know what I get locked up for. So I sense them can't go teach me. And you see some of them boy on the media when I rate the thing to me not rate to nothing. I not gonna tell them myself to suck on no mother, you know, because it don't make sense. Because it not matter. As me jump out of jail, me go find the bomber. And that me I telling you. They lock me up as me come out, me go find one bomber. I look out for 53 anytime now. I'm not supposed to start telling them my business again. Yeah man, I'm not supposed to start telling them business.